quick video on how to remove and insert a G-tube. Basically, take your syringe, remove as much as fluid as in the balloon. And once you have that, just slide right out. Take your new G-tube, and you're going to insert it in the same location. Once you're inserting, you're going to feel 1 layer and 2 layers, and then boom, you should be right in the stomach. After that, take your syringe, and then it's still about, I do about 10 mLs, a little extra on the balloon, because sometimes over time it deflates with the stomach secretions. This balloon says 5 mLs, but I've done another video where you can do more than 5, you can do up to 30, but you don't want it to pop it. But 10 mLs will do just fine. Basically, you can pull this back, it can go all the way up to about 4 or the number 2. And then pretty much you just check for gastric residual. As you can see, you'll see some slight residual in there just from the stomach contents. And then after that, they should give you confirmation, or you can do an X-ray with contrast to confirm.